Did you say high-end Christmas decor on a budget? I can do that. From velvet ornaments to elegant candle holders that look straight out of a designer catalog. Even outdoor decor that look store-bought. I'll show you how to bring cozy sophistication to your holiday home without overspending. Let's go. I went to Walmart in search of velvet ornaments. I found these, a set of 4 for $12.28. The crafter in me thought, I can do these, so that's what I did. Let me show you how easy it is to create them in any color. I have these Christmas ornaments that I was not going to use this year. They're about the same size of those at Walmart, so these were perfect for my project. I'll be covering them with velvet material in 3 different colors. I bought the material at Hobby Lobby. I started by cutting a piece of material approximately 20 by 20 inches. I took a straight board and marked off where I had measured. I'll be using zip ties to secure the material once I gather it together, but first I will drape the material over the ornament as I'm showing you. The material is gathered at the top of the ornament where the hook is at. I make sure to pull on the zip tie really tight. And this is how it's looking so far. And now what I'm going to do is cut off the excess material. And this is what it'll look like. And I also covered this Christmas ornament with the blue velvet. Now to finish off my ornament, I'll be using these mini round bowls from Dollar Tree and the wood ring from this macrame craft kit. I'm going to spray paint the bowl and ring with this hammered spray paint. Now that the spray paint has dried, next I'm going to hot glue the bowl onto the top of the ornament. I'm going to use these pine picks to decorate my ornament. I'll be cutting off a piece and hot gluing it at the base of the bowl. I pre-made this red bow, and next I'm going to hot glue it at the center of each of the picks. And now the last thing I need to do is hot glue the ring on top of the bowl. I'm going to follow the same steps for the green and also this red. Since I didn't have an extra wooden ring, I created a ring by using a garland tie. All I did was make a circle with it and trimmed off the excess greenery. And this is how it turned out. These look beautiful as a centerpiece, or use them what they are intended for, a Christmas tree ornament for your tree. It's a pretty big ball from Walmart and it's only $2.50, so you can make a ginormous Christmas ornament with one of these inflatable balls. Let me show you. I'm going to be making 2 ornaments, so I'll be using 2 clear plastic bowls from Dollar Tree and also 2 wood rings. I'm going to take them outside and spray paint them in the color gold. I'm going to use this glue adhesive to attach the bowl onto my ball. I'm going to use a paper towel to wipe off the excess glue. And lastly, I'm going to hot glue the wood ring onto the bowl. I'll be using both glues, the glue adhesive and the hot glue. I'm going to give it 1 day for the glues to cure. I'm going to use this 2-sided tape from Dollar Tree to hold down my ornament. I wanted my ornament to sit on something, so I decided to use a wreath. I added a piece of 2-sided tape to the bottom of my ornament. Then I decided to add some more for extra security. And for the second ball, I decided to place it on this sled. In In the plus section at Dollar Tree, they have these lighted characters. I picked up this nutcracker. He was $7. It's a little pricey, but overall I think it was a good buy. He's approximately 14 inches tall, which is not bad. Now all I'm going to do is take him outside and spray paint him with the color gold. With that alone, it's going to give him a different transformation. And here he is. Just look at the difference. He looks very high-end and polished. Let me know what you think. Here is another easy, stylish project. I'm going to be using 2 glass bowls from Dollar Tree and also 2 candle holders. I used them on a previous project, that's why they're gold, but they actually come in a clear glass. For permanent hold, I'm going to use some glue adhesive, and then I'm going to go in with some hot glue for fast hold, and then I'll be attaching my glass bowl onto my candle holder. I'll be placing this candle inside, but since it's too long, I'm going to go ahead and trim it off. Next, I'm going to add some hot glue to the bottom of the candle and then put it inside my bowl, just like I'm showing you there. And then to add some stability to my candle, I'm going to add some sand. I'm going to create another one with these 2. You guys, you don't have to spend a lot to achieve a beautiful, elegant table setting. Let me know what you think. I have one more easy decoration hack. Use a glass vase, some pine stems, and some Christmas ornaments and fill your vase. Very pretty. And there you have it, a luxurious, cozy holiday look that doesn't break the bank. If you love these tips, subscribe for more budget-friendly ways to make your home feel warm, elegant, and festive this season. Happy decorating! Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.